back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a full face of Fenty Beauty. I love Fenty Beauty. All about how I got this look using only Fenty Beauty products. I use pretty much Fenty for everything except my brows. And obviously Fenty doesn't have lashes, so I used my Ardell lashes. But look at this highlight, like that's seriously intense. I used a lot of the Match Stix for this video. Obviously Fenty doesn't have eyeshadows, or they do, but none of the palettes really called for me. Like I never was really interested in any of the palettes, let's be honest. They were all shimmers and I'm more of like a matte kind of gal. So I used the Match Stix for my wash of color that I have on my eye. And before we start this tutorial, make sure that you follow me on my socials because I do post there. Subscribe if you want to see more videos and more makeup tutorials. Let me know what you think, let me know what you want to see, and yeah, let's just get into it.
Hey, so I'm gonna do a voiceover because a talk through just takes way too long. So I'm just using the Fenty Pro Filtr Soft Matte Foundation. I honestly really love this foundation. It's really thin, super liquidy, so it feels really matte, or like a very soft matte, so I don't feel it throughout the day, which is what I really like about this foundation because it is so lightweight. I think I'm in the shade 260. I'll leave all the products that I use down below in the description bar. I'm using the Pro Filtr concealer. I believe also in the shade 260. And I really like this concealer because it's full coverage, but it also doesn't feel super heavy on my face. I'm also using the powder in the shade Banana, and their powders are honestly really good as well. I really like all Fenty face products. They just give you a very seamless, filtered like face. I'm using the Match Stix in the shade Truffle to pack on a wash of color. I don't really like their palettes, like I said in the intro. There's just too much shimmers for me. I'm using the black eyeliner. I forgot what it's called, but this eyeliner lasts for a really long time. So yeah, I'm just using the Fenty liner. I'm going to take the shade Cashew for the rest of my face because Banana would just make my face look way too light and yellow. So then I just dust it off with my Wet n Wild brush, and then I'm taking the Mocha Match Stix to contour my face. I really like these Match Stix because they're so versatile. You can use them on your lips, eyes, face, whatever you want to use them for. I think they're really cool, and they're magnetic and they stick together, so you can't lose them. Here I'm just contouring my nose, and then I'm using the highlights. I think it's in the shade Starstruck. I had to wet my beauty blender because they are a little hard to blend out, but usually if I just warm them up on my hand beforehand, then it works. I'm using the Match Stix in the shade Truffle to outline my lips, but with my finger it didn't work that well, so I just put the Match Stix on my lip. And then I'm using the shade Unveiled, the Fenty lipstick, and I honestly love the lip paints because they're like a very soft matte and they last all day.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. By the way, if you hear like a little ticking sound in the back, that's my camera autofocusing. I don't know why it does that autofocus. I don't understand why it makes that noise when it autofocuses. It's just a thing that it does. I really hope you enjoyed, and make sure that you subscribe before you go, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it so that I can you know, if when you like the video, you are helping the channel grow and you're helping people see the video when you like the video. If you like it, go ahead and like it. So yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one.